Okay, this is the TPLink range extender or a Wi-Fi extender. The model is RE305 and we're going to unbox it. So let's see what's inside. So later on I'm going to show you how to set it up, but now let's just unbox it. Before we do that, let's see what the specifications are. Okay, so it's dual band and 300/867 Mbps and some of the other specs. Okay, so let's continue to unbox this. Okay, so that's a license, it's a warranty card, and some quick start instructions. And here is the item. Okay, so you'll plug into any wall socket, connect to the home Wi-Fi, and there's an Ethernet port here for wired connections. Okay, thank you.